Hello again, I'm Ben Tennyson. Let's learn JavaScript. We define JavaScript as a high-level language that conforms to the ECMAScript specification. It uses curly bracket syntax, dynamic typing, prototype-based object orientation, and first-class functions. Besides HTML and CSS, JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web. JavaScript was invented by Brendan Eich in 1995 and became an ECMA standard in 1997. ECMA 262 is the official name of the standard, and ECMAScript is the official name of the language. See the following techniques, some important elements like HTML and body in angled brackets. But before HTML and body, write !doctype HTML in angled brackets. Note that doctype HTML is the part of the header. When you end the programming, you must put a / in the angled brackets like /HTML and /body. Do not use / in the angled brackets or you'll find an error on each line. Now, in this programming we're working on, take a heading message, say H2, in angled brackets. For example, the message written is, I am Ben Tennyson, and end with /H2 in angled brackets. To start with description, start with P and also write ID = demo in quotation marks. And by ending it, put /P and nothing else in angled brackets. For example, description says, I love our cousins. Let's give a preview output. Here you go, the following heading message says, I am Ben Tennyson, which is now displayed on the internet page. And also displays, I love our cousins. Now, if we add a button and click on it to change the message. Let's go back to programming, we're gonna add something. In the angled brackets, you will write button type equals button in quotation marks, then single word onclick without leaving space equals in apostrophe document.getElement by ID without leaving any spaces in parenthesis demo in quotation marks dot inner HTML equals. Wait, let me think about the message in parenthesis. For example, Gwen Tennyson and Kevin Levin. That's all I have, and close angled brackets. We write, click me. Then /button in angled brackets. Now we run a command that you have typed. Place a pointer on the button, the description message says, I love our cousins, as before. Here's what we've added something, click me button. Click this button and watch what happens. Now, you have a new description message, Gwen Tennyson and Kevin Levin. Pretty amazing, right? These are just basic concepts of JavaScript. We will learn more types next time. Like this video and subscribe now.